This is the Jeep that defined off-roading for generations.
I told you this Jeep was the centerpiece. Righteous ride.
The CJ5 changed everything. Inspired by military Jeeps, it became smaller, tougher, and more fun.
Jeep owners formed clubs, tackled trails.
The CJ7 brought longer wheelbase stability, available automatic transmissions, and removable hardtops.
The CJ8 Scrambler added a pickup bed and longer wheelbase.
Today, it's one of the most sought-after CJs ever. In 1986, the CJ line came to an end.
Safety regulations and changing times pushed Jeep towards something new.